Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason your TikTok videos are just not loading. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons, but the first thing I would recommend doing, as always, that your specific internet connection and your network settings are set up properly. So you want to make sure that you're connected to a proper Wi-Fi connection, a proper cell data connection, whatever it is. You want to make sure you're connected to a proper network, because if you're not, you're going to run into a lot of problems regardless. So check your network connection settings, make sure you're connected to good Wi-Fi, whatever. A good way to check is to make your way out to the Safari browser, internet browser, or whatever, start loading up some other websites and see if they actually load up. Now, as long as you're connected to a proper network and it's not working still, the next thing I would recommend doing is pretty much updating your TikTok application. So make your way over to TikTok or your app store, Google Play Store, Apple App Store, whatever. You want to type in TikTok, just like so, and you want to update your TikTok app. So click update your specific application, and for the most part, you should be good to go. If you click update and there's an update available, click on it and you should be able to move on from there. Now, there could also be a situation where your app store is not, maybe you don't have an update available or whatever, but your videos are still not loading and you don't know what's going on. Well, in all honesty, the next thing I would probably recommend doing is to see if TikTok is down. Now, a great way to see if TikTok is down is to go on Twitter and see if TikTok is down as trending. If that is not trending and your videos are still not working, then I would recommend, either looking in the comment section of this video and sorting by the latest and newest comments and seeing if people are commenting at the same time saying TikTok is down or whatever. Because maybe it's not trending on Twitter yet. Maybe you're one of the first people to figure it out. And if it's not working for you, I'd recommend commenting in the comment section below to make sure it's not working forever, so you can go ahead and see if anybody else is experiencing that issue too. So those are the main ways to pretty much fix this issue. That's how I fix it almost every single time. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.